What kind of pastry are we cooking? Mm, yes! Chocolate salami! Do you like it? The chocolate salami is a very popular Italian dessert. I love it. And preparing it is quite easy. Hello guys, how are you today? I'm good and I am ready for a delicious recipe. Are you ready? Yay! Let's see the ingredients. Come on. Let's cook a delicious chocolate salami. We need biscuits, butter, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, sugar, and eggs. Come on, let's cook together! Yay! Butter. What color is the butter? Chocolate. Yummy. Sugar. It is so sweet. Biscuits. My favorite biscuits are gocciole. And you? Oh, sorry, I'm joking. Eggs. I like eating chocolate. And you? My favorite type of chocolate is white chocolate because it is sweet and it is really fatty. I like fatty food like hamburger, kebab, French fries, and obviously pizza. And you? What is your favorite type of chocolate? And your favorite food? Maybe pizza. Yeah, yes, I know that you like pizza. But what is your favorite type of pizza? My favorite type of pizza is margherita with mozzarella cheese and tomato sauce. And you? Würstel and French fries? Or fish and chips? Or with eggs? Let me know, okay? Mwah. See you later. Bye bye. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 150 grams of butter, 175 grams of biscuits. Coarsely chop the chocolate in little pieces. And melt them. In a large bowl, put the softened butter with the sugar and beat them with an electric whisk until they turn foamy. Then add the eggs. And whisk for a second. Now add the melted chocolate. Then mix well. Break the biscuits into small pieces. And put them in the bowl. Mix well with a spoon to combine all the ingredients. Shape this mixture and wrap into a baking paper. Wrap. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, it's good. Put in the fridge for 8 hours. Then cut the chocolate salami into slices and serve. Enjoy it! Yum 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 yum!